4-2-3-1 formation, an attacking version of the 4-5-1, with three forward midfielders supporting the lone striker. It's time for this mixture to get underway. Chukwueze. He's charging down the wing. That's a terrible tackle. It's a yellow card. No arguments there from the player. He's put it into the danger area. Regains possession. And now Fofana. Hakimi tackles. He's racing ahead with the ball. Pulisic driving forward. What does his player have in store from here? No one's going to get on the end of that cross. And now Fofana. Cody Gakpo. Hakimi tackles. Cristiano Ronaldo. He's got the goal in his sights. Oh, it's in. Great play. He battled hard. He's been rewarded with his first goal of the game. Defender in possession. Won the ball. And he's onside here. He saves the long-range shot. He steps up to steal the ball. He misjudged the pass. And he stayed onside. A chance to have a better look here. That's a poor pass. They've made the breakthrough. Here's a fantastic chance to score. Lovely goal. Great composure from this player. Is that goal just the start of many? Chukwueze. Whistle blows, one team are filming. Global Challenge Cup is one they all want to win. What will unfold in the second half? This is Lewandowski. They're struggling to string their passes together. Toure with the ball. Could have been better. Third foul, the referee's looking animated. He disliked what he saw. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. It's time to replenish their energy level. So, some new players are coming on. He got that pass all wrong. That's not like him at all. Cristiano Ronaldo. Tries a long shot. That sailed wide of the goal. The fans are demanding more goals. This could turn into a rout. Misplaced pass. Great run by Lewandowski. And he hits it. So this player will come off and a new one will take to the pitch. Finish was just off there and it's wide. On the run. Careless pass there. do? And the manager's making a change here. The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break. Surely now, a goal for Lewandowski. 10 goals in all competitions then. That proves why he's so valuable to the team. Time for a fresh pair of legs here now. Chukwueze. Cristiano Ronaldo. Tries his luck from distance. Goodness me, that was close. Let's take another look at that. Keeper put his boot behind that.